Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make Korean buttercream roses using GGCakraft's recipe, which I modified to use measurements. And then we're going to take this darker color here, which is Dusty Rose by Americolors, and stripe a thinner line with our offset spatula on the narrow end of the tip, and then fill in the rest with a very pale Dusty Rose here. And then I'm going to squeeze out a little bit till I see both colors come. And then I'm going to use my piping bag and cut a small hole in the end of the tip, and I've placed a little bit right on the rose nail and then a square of wax paper. I'm going to pipe my cone right onto this using the light Dusty Rose. And when I have a nice sized cone, I'm going to grab my other piping bag that has my 124. This is an Ateco tip, so they're thinner, and that gives better thinner petals if that's the look you're looking for, which is what we are. And we're going to make sure that the color stripe, the darker color, is on the top, and we're going to lean that narrow end right in towards the center so that we can wrap a full cone all the way around, and that center will go right in for us. So we're going to use pressure as we wrap all the way around, spinning the nail with our fingers as we do it. Now we're going to pipe 3 petals to wrap around the center of that rose. And then from there we're going to continue piping petals till we get a nice full rose. And as I get buttercream on my tip, I want to wipe that off on a paper towel so that I keep a clean tip and I get nice clean petals as I keep piping here. And when you get towards the end, you can bring that tip, the narrow end, a little closer towards you and away from the center, and that makes the petals come out a little ways. Then I can place that in my container to freeze for later, and then I can just pop them on the cake when I have them all done. So now I'm going to show you a few in faster motion here.